Today, we have an insightful report on the recent speech by Ibrahim Traoré at the Second Russia-Africa Summit. He addressed various issues concerning the relationship between Africa and Russia. Let's dive into the highlights of his speech. Traoré began by expressing his gratitude and extending warm greetings to all attendees, including President Vladimir Putin and African leaders at the summit. He emphasized the historical bond between Africa and Russia, forged during World War II when both continents fought together against Nazism. In his speech, Traoré touched upon the aspirations of African peoples for a world free from external interference in their internal affairs. He called for stronger relations between Africa and Russia to build a better future. However, he raised thought-provoking questions about the paradox of Africa's abundant natural wealth coexisting with persistent poverty. He urged African leaders to work towards addressing this disparity and focus on self-sufficiency, particularly in food production, to alleviate hunger and dependency. Traoré also highlighted Burkina Faso's ongoing struggle against neo-colonialism and imperialism, acknowledging the valiant efforts of his people in the face of adversity. He praised the bravery of Burkina Faso's volunteers for the defense of the homeland, VDP, and criticized the label of militia used by external forces, pointing out the need for solidarity among African leaders. Furthermore, President Putin's announcement of sending cereals to Africa was seen as a call to action for African leaders. Traoré expressed gratitude for the gesture but reminded fellow leaders that Africa must strive for food self-sufficiency to better serve its population. In conclusion, Traoré's speech at the Second Russia-Africa Summit delivered a powerful message of unity, self-determination, and the need for stronger bonds between Africa and Russia. He emphasized the importance of lifting Africa out of poverty, standing against interference, and taking charge of their own future. And there you have it, folks. Ibrahim Traoré's speech has certainly set the stage for deeper collaboration between Africa and Russia. It's a call to action for African leaders to prioritize their people's well-being and foster stronger relations.